guys, Mr. Light is back with Lord of the Rings The Third Age. Let's go this way. We've got the treasure from these points. Time to go see what's going on down here. Now we gotta go straight ahead. Oh boy, what's coming our way this time? Ah, okay. Can we do anything with you? Well, you're still alive, apparently. I'm not that concerned about that. I am, however, concerned about that. So let's take you out. Okay. Dark waters. Should have seen that coming. Let's... On me. Let's get out Iodine. Spear. Go for him. That's good damage. Then we'll get out Elagos. Aim shot. Here comes the camera issues again, like always, like we've been getting loads of times lately. Hang on. Really gotta fiddle with it. I apologize once again for this whole recording colouring issue, but sadly this is the downside to this blinking recording device I'm using. It's not actually the device itself, it's only one of the cables. Right, Verifore level up will increase your health and strength will do. Right, let's see, where do we go now? That way... yeah, we go this way. We go this way to get some more treasure. Okay, here's something interesting we haven't seen in a while. Okay. Company Might. Okay. Elagos. Rippling shot. And this one is vulnerable to it. It will never get a turn. Okay, that's plenty of damage done to it, but would like to do more, so let's use this. Loads of damage. Then rippling shot again. Another 5,000 and delayed. Elven Rage again, mainly for the SP. Even though we are approaching the end of the game, so we're not actually going to need to get many more skills now. We got actually the skills we need to end the game. That should kill him. There we go, that's him sorted, and there goes the camera again. I have no luck with this blooming thing, do I? Oh, cleared up again. Wow, didn't even touch it this time. My Hadhard can have 5 into spirits. Then we will have, let's see, Verifore got the shield. Yeah, it's a better one. And Iodine got this. Yeah, that's better. Right, there's the save point there. Oh. Hang on a second. I just want to save here a second. Just so I got a checkpoint. I got a funny feeling that I've missed something. I could have sworn you go this way, but maybe Oh my flip. Okay, hang on, hang on. Let me go back the other way. This isn't for treasure. This is actually the way you gotta go. Oh my flip. Oops. Yep, I was going the right way. I didn't notice that was a blooming dead end. So now we go this way. Okay, yeah, it's not treasure. It's in fact the way we gotta go to get further in the area. These guys again. Darn it, I really don't like these guys. Right. Can you hit him, please? No, apparently you can't. Oh, this is annoying. War call. Alright. Take this. 14,000 damage and a camera dysfunction again. Okay, let's try this again. I'm quite surprised we survived that, to be honest. I'm quite surprised. I'm having a lot of problems now. For some reason, this darn camera won't listen to me. I don't get it. I've tried, but... Geez, the camera just won't change when I move the cable. I'm getting a bit annoyed at this darn thing. It changed by itself, not by when I was moving it. Right, hang on. Let's get out Elagos now. Just so we can get points. Critical hit's always nice. And that's very good. Oh, that's gotta leave a mark. Right, let's get out Morwen. Finish him off for me, will you? So that takes care of him. Well, that's good. Didn't attack Elagos. That's always good. Hang on. This guy can counter. So I'm going to use killing shot. They can't counter me. Then I'm going to get out Hadhods. Axe, Mountain Rage. You missed. Do this to him. You missed the second hit. These guys have got a lot of speed. They're very good at evading attacks. Jeez. Right, let's get out Berefor again. Citadel Rage this time. That sorted this fight out. Those guys really get on my nerves. They are so flipping fast. But then, look at all the lovely XP we get. Right, up. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Yes, okay. Do you see these in the distance? Do you see those gigantic elephants? Trust me, those things are nasty. Like ice. First off, actually, to be honest, I want you to stand fast. Those elephants are absolute nuisances, to be honest. Right, do double trail with you, that's good. Go figure. Then Mountain Rage. Good hit on him. Okay, no biggie. Oh, he survived. with hammer. Whatever, man. No, I don't want to take out the party this time. Guardian strike. He survived again. I was hoping he'd die from that. He didn't die from this. There we go. Saw it out. Hard can do Mountain Rage on this big guy here. That's that done. The camera's going again slightly. Very annoying. Ah, here's the reason why I wanted these three. Because I made them move. Okay. Let's use this on him. Lovely damage, that is terrific. And then, Rage of the Maiden. Learn sneak attack, okay, that's brilliant. Hard, Mountain Rage. And he's dead. Now, I've got a feeling the next encounter is gonna be the elephant. This is gonna be interesting, actually. You'll see. Lots of level ups here. Very happy with that, actually. Yeah, I think the next one is, in fact, the elephant. This is gonna be wild. I'll have you with health. You can have speed and health. You can have spirits. Okay, I don't think there's anything here to pick up. I think. Wait, we can go this way, can't we? Hang on. We want to go this way first. Oh, not these guys again. Flip's sake, don't they ever learn? Just blinking die. Alright. Israel, come on out. I need your help here. We need the orc down first. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This is getting ridiculous. Is it actually the vibrations doing it? That's what it seems like. Is it actually the vibrations from the attacks messing with the recording device? I hope not. Oh, you missed. They're really picking on Berefor for some reason. Not even bad on, at least. That makes a difference. Right, let's get our Iodine next. You missed again! What is with your accuracy? There we go. Lovely piece of damage done to him. Got counted again. Right, let's get out Morwen now. Sneak attack, because it can't be countered. Missed again. See, the thing is, these guys have a lot of speed. And Iodine is not hitting them at all. I'm quite amazed at how really annoying this is getting. Anyway, let's use Arrow Flurry and take them both out. Well, we took one out. We probably won't take the other one out, though. Yeah, I knew we wouldn't. Then we'll get out Idriel. Elven Rage. You missed. Go flipping figure. Right. Bearer 4, come out. Leadership, Company Valor. Now we should be able to hit an actual attack. Yes, we actually hit him with that. Oh, Company Valor does in fact make a difference, I'll give you that. Right. Hadhod leveled up, very good. And Hadhod also got equipment. Oh, okay. So we'll level up his speed. Equipment. Equip that. And equip that. Right. Treasure is over here. What we want. Spirit warding, Elagos, weapon warding for Ioden. I actually don't want to equip either of those. So I want to keep them with the might accessory, because it's the attacking one, and those two rely heavily on damage. Anyway, you guys ready for this? This is gonna be a big one! Yep! It's an elephant. First off, I want flipping stand fast. Why? Because of this. That blooming move is a stunning move. And it's flipping annoying. Right, what do we want to do? Let's try paralyzing shot, see if this works on it. Oh! I think it did. I think we paralyzed it. Did we? No, the symbol's not there. Flip. I don't think it has any effect on it whatsoever. Okay. How the heck, Ioden, did you miss a target that's blooming big? I mean, Ioden, look at the size of this thing! How the heck did you miss it? That don't even make any sense! Right, hang on, I gotta do something about this now, because otherwise I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna go here, Spirit Powers, Mountain Shield. This will solve the problem. Yep, 001. Nothing at all. Right. Can you please hit him? Oh, jeez, only hit him twice. I mean, I'm sorry, but I'm just finding this a tad ridiculous. Okay, here comes Foul Breath. 0 damage again, but he's gonna be very annoying if we don't do something about this. There are 4. Company Might. Foul Breath again, no worries, we've got 0 damage on us, thanks to Mountain Shield. Ioden, please hit him this time! That's more like it, that's what I like to see. Hadhod can use Mountain Rage. Oh, that's great damage. 18,000 damage. And why don't we add to that? Oh, yes. Now we're getting somewhere. And he hasn't used Stomp again, which is good because Hadhod isn't protected. Okay, nope. Mountain Rage again. That is a really good chance of critical hit, guaranteed. Oh, here it comes! And Hadhard is now stunned. Good, that's what I like to see. Spear. Finish him off. Oh yeah, that'll finish him off. There's no way he's surviving that. There we go, we've won. Those guys do tend to be very irritating the first time you encounter them. Because you have no idea what sort of abilities they got. And they're very high health and they got a stunning all attacker. Increase Bearfort's attack. Right. Save point over there. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to stop the video here. Next time, we gotta go down there and we got to deal with those guys. If we can. So I'll see you guys next video.